Hello, today I'm going to show you how we can configure waving scale barcode in our ERP POS. So on the screen you can see two types of barcodes. So the first step, you have to identify which is your barcode, which type of barcode you are using. Here it is weight embedded barcode and price embedded barcode for an example. So you have to take a simple barcode including a product and its details like weight, its price and all. Just take an example, just take a barcode print from your waving scale so that you can easily identify whether it is weight embedded or price embedded. Let me show you how you can identify the parts of whether it is weight or it is price and all. So I just labeled it. As you can see below the barcode label, there is series of numbers. So every time from the left side it is post character, maybe it is single digit or dual digit, anything. So until we reach to the product code. So the left side it is post character and the next series will be product code. Of course we have 5-digit product code here, and the third category, which is weight. Of course that's how we can identify the digit, the weight. You can see in the above the sticker it is 0.5, which have a fraction, and in our series number series it is 00500, and you can see how we can identify. So it is whole part and fractional part. The whole part, which is the number which is 00, and the fractional part is 500. So you have to analyze. It is 5-digit length of this weight on this part. So the last one is 6, which means we have to discard it, we don't know how to use it. So this is how you can identify what are those by using the series below. So this is weight embedded, and another one is price embedded. As you can see, all other are same like code and post character. In the section, in the last session, you can see it is a price, which means 2.0 is our total price. The weight is 0.5. The 0.5 is not there, it's 2.0. So 2.0, which means the 5 characters, which the first three characters it is price, whole part length, and last 2 digit, which is the fractional part. So that's how we can identify. So let's try out the first example, weight embedded barcode. So the same product and the price you can see per kg is $4. So $4 here, weight 0.5, and total price 2. So let's try how we can configure the same in our ERP. So let's start. So in our example, I have to create our product and I have to enable waving scale. We need to identify which product is using our waving scale. So same product code. So I'm using the product code as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is same as my example, and the name. And here you can select your group, and here it is the basic thing. We have to enable waving scale. We have to enable waving scale in order to identify this one with our waving scale barcode. So enable waving scale, and here sense scale. So the third one, which is waving scale method, we have 3 different methods: quantity wise, amount wise, and quantity wise. So in our example, the first one, weight embedded, which means we have quantity wise. So I'm just enabled it. I'm just skipping PLU now. So here I have to input our price. In our example, it is 4 per kg. So 4 is our sales rate. Nothing else. I'm just saving it. So this is how you can create a product using these settings. Next one is POS configuration. So here, open POS. There you can see waving scale settings there. Just open using your username and password, admin username and password. There you can see waving scale settings. So by use example weight embedded barcode, just close, verify which are the parts which we need to input here. So first one is post character, which means post character, not the number of digit, it's character. So we need to list out which are the character, whether it's 2 digit, 3 digit, we have to input it. So in our example it is 20, so I'm just using 20. And next one is product. It is 5 digits, number of digit here. Product code length means number of digits, so I'm just using 5. And weight whole part length, our first example, it is weight embedded, so I'm just using 2 as whole part length 2, so I'm using 2 as a digit. And the next one is fraction part, which means 3. That's another example. And we don't have rate in our barcode, in our barcode series, so I'm just skipping it. And check digit, the last 6, so we have to input 1. The last 1 digit we need to skip. So these are the basic configuration in our waving skill, nothing else, that's it. So let's try whether it's working or not. So we have to scan. If we scan our product, it scans the numbers, right? So I'm just right now I don't have a scanner, so I'm just using the barcode itself, like 20123455006. So this is what we get while we scan the barcode. And let's try whether the product and the quantity and everything will come in our grid. Yes, it came. Yeah, see it, the weight 0.5, cost the rate 4, and total price 2. This is how you can configure easily. In most of the case, if you don't have a quantity decimal, you have to change it from the settings. Company setting, there will be quantity decimal place, so you have to give 2 in order to 25.50, like that, 2 digits after decimal. So this is how you can embed weight embedded barcode. It's very easy and simple. So this price embedded barcode, the second example. So from our first example, we need to change a little bit portion in order to change it into price embedded. Nothing else. We just edit this product, and we have to a waving scale method. We have to change the waving scale method. It is price embedded, which means price means amount embedded, the total price. So I'm just using amount wise here, nothing else. I'm just saying it. And in POS also we need to change portion, which means we need to remove this whole part length. We can put it 0, and we can use rate whole part length. Let's try the weight, which means 3 digit, whole part it is 3 digit, so I'm using 3 here. And fractional part, it is 2 digit, of course 2 here, nothing else. I'm just saving it. And let's try whether we can use the second example is configured or not. 2012345. Of course, it's done. See, quantity 0.5, the same. The weight 0.5, rate 4, and amount 2. So this is how you can configure price and weight